Hello my friends. I'm Harry and welcome to Characters Factory. I haven't been active for a while because I have been working on a huge Christmas concept. Last year for Christmas I recreated the Snow Queen on a doll, but this year I'm going to try and prepare 3 videos inspired by the all-time classic story of Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol. I plan to make all 3 spirits from past, present and future. There are many movies based on that story, but my favorite is the Disney version with Jim Carrey. The Ghost of Christmas Past was designed as candle in that movie to symbolize the light that you shine on the past in order to understand who you are. My second favorite movie with Dickens' story is another Disney version, Mickey's Christmas Carol. In this movie, the Ghost of Christmas Past is played by Jiminy Cricket from Pinocchio's movie, while again Disney chooses to show how the lighting of the candle shows the light of the past. I want to stay faithful to the story of Charles Dickens. I'm going to create my own Christmas Carol, and I'm also going to create a spirit of the past for my last year creation, my Snow Queen. I designed the spirit of Christmas past as a Russian princess. I want her to look like the Snow Queen, or even better like they were friends, to remind her of herself. As a spirit, I had to choose a doll that looked like a ghost, so I thought I could use Spectra Wondergeist. But I already have 3 dolls like that, but they are all faulty. So I kept the body of the doll and her head. After I chose the doll I would work on. I started with a dress I designed. I chose the fabric I'm going to use, and after that I found an old pattern that I think it might be too big, so I just have to make it smaller. After I complete the dress, I'm going to decorate it with these 2 ribbons. I will start with this one first. Then I'm going to accessorize it with the belt and fur from my Applewhite doll. We'll use knife to cut the extra accessorizes. After, the belt is ready. I love her accessories, but something was still missing from the outfit, so I decided to stick some crystals For the shoes, I choose a pair of Cheshire wood I had. Going to paint them purple with this nail polish. And after they are dry, I'm going to dip them in a same color glitter. It's time to start designing the face. I sprayed her face with Mr. Super Clear for 30 minutes and then I started. I first started with some watercolor pencils. I'm going to use the same nail polish I used for the shoes and use it as an eyeshadow. And on top, the same thing with the purple glitter. Then I'm going to do her eyebrows. While the camera was off, I tried to color her lips, but I didn't like anything, so I decided to leave them plain. In my first sketch, I made her hold one watch like this. This one I got from my Ashley from Ever After High. And I'm giving it extra details with the same nail polish. I'm going to use this white part of the fur for a fur hat. I cut an equal piece and sewed the side parts and it became a Russian fur hat. I placed the head back on her body. I wore her the hat, some old earrings and the Christmas spirit of the past is ready. There was a time, not very long ago, far to the Russia, far to the north, past the gold seas and blinding fog, yes, there into the frozen winds that lead to the land of bitter storms and deadly blizzards. That's the home of ice and snowflakes. All of them servants to the slow-creamed snow cream. Yes, in the far north, where the snow never melts, is a magnificent castle made of the goldest ice sparkling in the northern lights. This is where the Snow Queen lives. She's so beautiful, it makes you shiver. She shines like the polar star hanging in the deep freeze space along the elusive hearts by a burning glove. She became as cold as the ice that always surrounds him. But at Christmas night, well, it's all about time, Snow Queen. Haven't got all night, you know. Who are you? Tonight you will be visited by 3 spirits. I'm the first. I'm the ghost of Christmas past, and my responsibility is to remember you, your kindness and love hiding in your heart. Kindness is of little use in this world. You didn't always think so, Snow Queen. Come on, Snow Queen, time to go. We're gonna visit your past. Just hold on. I know this place. It's the old ice rink. Yes, that was before you became a miserable queen. I remember how I was in love with him. You love your snow more than that precious creature, and you lost him forever. So I hope you like my Christmas past doll, and I hope complete the other 2 Christmas spirits dolls before the New Year's Eve. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all again. Bye bye, my friends.